A series of 8-year-old photographs is currently making the rounds on the internet in China. As Celia Hatton tells us, despite their age, the death row images are shedding new light on a country that executes far more people than any other country in the world.
These photos shocked many across China. Women in their final 12 hours on death row. Taken in China's central Wuhan province in 2003, few saw these images until now, as they spread across China's internet, showing convicted drug traffickers preparing for death.
It's incredibly rare to see inside any of China's prisons, let alone personal photos from death row. China's thought to sentence more people to death than any other country, but the actual number of executions carried out every year is considered a state secret.
This prisoner receives a new outfit and carefully folds it to wear for her execution. The women are fed fresh fruit, dumplings, and a special treat, hot pies from McDonald's. This 25-year-old convict laughs often, but eventually sings to heaven, asking for a second chance. Another woman stays in her cell, dictating one last letter. When dawn breaks, it's time to wear those final outfits. Tears flow. Outside tallies estimate China carries out around 4,000 death sentences annually for crimes ranging from government corruption to rape. In comparison, 46 people were executed in the U.S. last year. The Wuhan photos are fueling online debates that it's usually the poorest and weakest people in China who face the harshest legal punishments.
If you're executing thousands of people every year, and in a very densely populated country with deep familial and kinship ties, you're executing that many people every year, you are generating a lot of discontent, a lot of unhappiness.
For these women, the debate comes too late. The photos end as they join a line of prisoners to face the firing squad. Celia Hatton, CBS News, Beijing.